In here is my new camera, and there's also a new SD card in there. But here it is, it's the Sony ZV-E10. So, let's get it unpacked. I just need to get this camera into the right position. Like that, okay. So, there's some manual stuff. It's an E-mount camera, so yeah. But yeah, I should probably get a more flat surface. Now I'm back, and let's see, how do I do this without damaging the packaging too much? Now I have gotten it loose, and there is this, and this we'll lay it off to the side. So let's open up the main things. There's some manuals, the normal Sony manuals. Now let's see. If we open this thing up, here we have some stuff. We have, this is USA power. I don't know what that's about, but it looks like there's European over there. So here is European. There's the Sony strap. What is this? I think this is the battery. Yes, this is the battery. Put it back in there for safekeeping. What is this? Let's see what's in here. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is the wind muffler for the camera. It's a dead cat style of wind muffler. I'll put it a little bit back in there. We'll put it over there. What is this? Another battery. Wow, I get two. Oh wait, no, this is not a battery. This is a charger. Whoops, I got them mixed up. No, this is the battery. Sorry. Then there is, of course, the charging cable. Now we get to what I think is the main camera. Here it is. Wow. That's great. That's very great. Let's just... Wow. So let's put the battery on. Any power currently, but let's see. Let's find the right way first. I think it's this way. This is also where you put an SD card. Now I think this might be the right time to put in an SD card. Is it locked? No. Good. Sorry. Now there is the SD card in. Let's put on the wind muffler. Just, if you can slide it in, it just goes over there. It also has a screen. So anyway, let's turn it on. I don't think it has any battery. I'll be back in just a second when it has battery. But anyway, when you are having it out of protective packaging, make sure to flip the screen so it doesn't get damaged. Anyway, I'm gonna be back when it's charged. Now the camera should have some charge. So let's see. Turn it on. It'll turn on. English. Area. Date. Enter. Berlin, Paris. Daylight saving, I don't remember. When is daylight? 2 seconds, I'm gonna be back in a bit. I think it's not daylight saving time. Currently the time is... date... it's day, month, year, okay. It's the 4th of January 2024. The time is... the time is 1920. Yeah, like that. Anyway, preparing image database file. Please wait. I have found the zoom. There's also power zoom. You can control zoom with this ring, or you can also use this, or you can use this. Let's see, what's this? It looks good. So yeah, let's get filming with this. So now I've gotten it on here, and now I'll just go into the menu. JPEG image size large, aspect ratio, shooting mode, intelligent auto, program auto, aperture priority, shutter priority, manual exposure, recall cameras. I'll just shoot in intelligent auto. USB streaming. Now, other than that, there's file format, record setting, SNQ setting, that's slow and quick setting. Okay. Smartphone connect, okay. Monitor brightness, gaming, no, gamma, volume, delete, power settings, add item, display from, okay. Shoot 4K. Let's just do that. Now it should be 4K. Hello. So that's me, and this is the new camera. I hope you like it.